Hi everyone, let's take a look today at openings. Sometimes when you are designing a building and going backwards and forth with the customer, openings can get a little confusing and sometimes you end up with errors that you do not understand. Let's take a look at one of those possible errors. Let's assume for a moment that I want to add some vents through the top here. So I come into add openings, I'm going to go framing only. I'm going to pick something to put it into, and the opening width might be 600 and the height might be 300. Oops, 399. 300. I've got the right trim, I've got OK, I'm going to click it, into the building where I want it. Now, maybe it's not exactly where I want it, maybe there's a specific reason that I need it at a certain height, so I'm going to come into the building and I'm going to look at the height off the slab. It's 3 meters and 24, and I want it 3.1 for whatever reason. So I go through and I delete that, and then I go 100, and I don't delete the other 3, and I don't realize. I click it in, next thing the window's gone. Where's that window gone? Maybe it'll come when I calc the building. So I'm going to calc the building, and the window will go back in. But lo and behold, that window does not appear. And what happens is I now get a warning that even confuses me more because I don't understand what's happened with that window. I look at it, and because I'm in a hurry, I'm not really understanding it. It's telling me exactly where the window is, that it's 100 millimeters above the building, but I don't get it because I'm just in a hurry. And if we actually scroll out, you can see somewhere up here there it is. You can see that little window right at the top there. But in my haste to get things done, I cannot find that window. I can't figure out what I've done wrong, and I just need some help. So of course you can send the job to support, or as an alternative, you can come up to Windows and then look at openings, and you'll see a list of all of the windows and openings in the building. And I can come down and I know that it's on sidewall A, so I'll find something that's on sidewall A. Bay 1 of sidewall A. Center of Bay 1, sidewall A. Here we go, look at it. 33, 100 height off the slab. Right, and you can see that there if I just alter that around. Height off the slab. So I know, okay, there's my issue. So what I can do is I can just click on that window. I could edit it and drop it back down. Or in this case, I'm just going to remove it. So now that it's removed, I'll calc it. Let's see if that warning goes away. It should do. And once you've done that, I can then go about putting the window back in the building, this time being careful to make sure I select the actual height. And there you go, that warning's gone. So I hope that's some help in terms of dealing with windows, and sometimes those really strange errors you get that makes you scratch your head a few times. ACT Building Systems, making cold form buildings easy.